This is my homemade wire stripper. I took some razor blades, took them from, the little razor knife deal. This thing, take those blades, you cut some little slits. You have to do it with a really thin saw blade or a reciprocating cutting tool. That's what I use. And what you do is you take the drill bit, take this little tool right here, find out the size drill bits. That's the same gauges of wire. Drill you some different holes. Match the slots up so they go right in the center of the little hole you drilled. And just drill various size holes for wiring. Okay. If you look down there, you see I got some cords. I've cut the male ends off of them. Got some cords right there that I just cut off of items that I find that people throw in the trash. Right? We zoom out, zoom. Now we're going to take our wire. We're just going to split it in half, and that cord that most household appliances have is actually 2 wires. We're just going to put it through the hole right there that matches that wire size, and we're going to pull it through. As it's coming through there, the razor blade is slicing the housing. Just come back to the end here, and it will score it just enough to open it up if you place the blades in there right, which it took me a while to get that. Now you'll find it's good to use a little hand wire stripper, which I don't have, right here. Get yourself started right there. There should be a little score where you went through, and then you just grab. One hand on the housing, one hand on the wire. Pull. Pull. Before you know it, you just did what it took a meth head 2 hours to do by burning the wire housing off. It helps not to be on drugs while you're doing this, because then you can think properly to do it much easier. That's what small-time recycling is all about. We want you to exert very little effort and no money. We want you to use things that you can find around your house to strip your wires, because you want to make extra money. You don't want to spend money to do this. So there's a little bit of copper. I throw it in my copper bucket and go on my merry little way.